theater of Bulis contained more than 12,000 people. That direction is the stadium, and Sterna, which collected the water which were coming from the steps of the stadium. The stadium is 190 meters long. And you see the walls of Bulis, which are more than 2 kilometers long. Josa River, the wildest river in Europe, with more than 1,000 species. The nature today is so beautiful. Yellow flowers, hills, mountains. That makes the place where the nature mixed with the culture. So just amazing. So welcome to Bulis.